friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Prathamesh Pawar. Today we are going to make a gift which can be given on occasion of anniversary, then wedding, and moreover it can be given to a boyfriend to a girlfriend or girlfriend to a boyfriend, vice versa. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and do like and share. Take a plank. The height should be 20 centimeters and the width should be around 8 centimeter. I am using a plank which was already at my home, so I didn't buy anything. Attach the plank to the vise in this manner so that you can cut it with the handsaw. I have marked the line using a pen. Cut along the line using a handsaw. And I'll again advise to take help of an adult while cutting. Take a normal bulb. There is no need to buy a new bulb. If the filament is damaged, then it's okay because we have to hollow this bulb from inside. I'm using this helmet to protect my eyes, nose. I'm using these gloves to protect my hand. So let's start. Now the bulb is hollow. Just wash it once. Fragments get out from the bulb. attach the bulb to the plank and also fill the bulb with the heart shape. Now I'm going to apply some wood varnish to bring a bit shine. Applying varnish, wood polish, it looks like this. It's shiny. It will take 4 to 5 hours to get dry. Once it gets dry, we can start further working on it. Now the wood polish has been dried up. Now we can stick the stickers over it, stating, "You light up my life." So today we made this "You Light Up My Life." Hope you like it. Comment on my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.